Welcome to the 2019 Chevrolet Traverse LT. The LT Traverse is powered by a 3.6 liter V6 engine and made it up to a 9-speed automatic transmission. Taking a quick look at the interior of the vehicle: power windows, locks and mirrors. We do have our height adjustability for the trunk release, your automatic headlights and fog lights, a leather wrapped steering wheel with cruise control and audio controls. The vehicle has 52,882 kilometers on the odometer, push button ignition, a nice large 8-inch touchscreen, navigation and audio controls. We do have dual zone climate control with heated seats. We have our USB ports up front as well, your automatic shifter knob, your 4-wheel drive system and traction control. The light colored interior brings a nice lively bit to the interior of the Traverse. Bose audio as well for the high quality audio, and then our leather heated seating up front of the Traverse. Taking a quick look at the exterior of the Traverse LT, we have the 20-inch wheel and tire package with the Continental all-season tires. We have color-matched door handles with keyless entry, OEM running boards underneath the cab of the vehicle, Traverse badging, color-matched mirror caps with the LED strip. Coming down to the front, we do have the LED daytime running lamps, as well as the Traverse LTs equipped with fog lights and a front camera system. Making our way to the back, we do have the running rails up top as well, ready to go, rear tinted privacy windows, remote start equipped. At the back of the Traverse, we have the dual chrome exhaust tips, rear parking sensors, as well as a power tailgate, backup camera, and your Traverse all-wheel drive LT badging. Jumping into the interior here, second row captain's chairs. Both are car seat ready as well. Seats fold down nice and quick, giving us access to our third row, which is a 60-40 split, and obviously when folded down, gives you an enormous amount of trunk space. LED lighting, a light-colored interior, USB ports even in the rear. Up top, LED lights throughout, and a dual panel sunroof system. And you have your rear climate control as well as USB ports and an outlet in the back of the center console. Thank you for taking the time to watch this brief walk-around video on the 2019 Chevrolet Traverse. Any questions or inquiries, please contact our sales team.